Hi everyone, this is your Suhail and we are the Toronto Tamil couple. It's been a long time that we have not talked about how Rohan's education is going on. We had a video of his first day of school. So this video is about like what are the things Rohan has done for the first 2 months of school, that is September and October in Toronto District School Board, and what are the activities that school has given to him. All those we are going to capture in this video. Let's go now. So as you all know, the COVID was in surge, and due to COVID, the Toronto District School Board had certain specific rules to be followed on every day. The first one is a health checkup for kids at home before boarding the bus or before going to school. They have to check whether the kids has any conditions related to COVID, for example, coughing or cold, fever or headache or diarrhea, something like that. So for that, they have given us a chart kind of a thing from school. We are going to show that to you now. So the form was something like this, wherein like every day you have to sign in for your kid, and if you see at the back, it says that what are the screening methods that has to be followed. The kids should not have a fever. He or she should not have cough. He or she should not have difficult breathing. If all these things are no, then you can send your kids to school. This is a precautionary measure that every parent or kid has to follow while going to school. Whenever your kids put an absent or put a leave on a particular day, then you have to inform your school, respective school. There will be a safe arrival number that will be given to you on the first day from your administrator department of the school. So you have to call that number, and there will be like automated option wherein like it will ask you to like choose whether he or she is full day absent or half day absent, whether he or she is like suffering from any kind of the options. They give illness, they give appointment for family doctor, dentist, family matters, problems, etc. You can choose that, and you can apply leave for them. If you do not call the safe arrival of your school, then you will get an automatic call from the Toronto School Board, wherein the same message will come. You have to respond to that message. Once you give them the necessary information, that will be like submitted to the school. Okay, this is the second thing that you need to know. So each school follows a different pattern of how they engage your kids, how they give activities to the kids, or how they share the activities to their parents. For our class, we have the Class Dojo app. The Class Dojo app is what our son's class uses, and the teacher has created a credentials for us, wherein our teacher shares whatever activities has happened in the class to the parents, some pictures, some activities that they did, everything. So we will be able to see them virtually. That is one of the good way to do. Most of the teachers follow the same Class Dojo app. If not, they like send you some handwritten papers or like some feedback on a daily basis or on a weekly basis based on like how they ought to go. So once the school has started and 3 or 4 days passed by, they give a calendar like this to each student, wherein like it says like on which day they have which classes. So parents who are going to send their kids to junior kindergarten can use this information. So initially for the first 2 months, the classes that they had was music and dance, drama, gym, some science teaching, and alphabets, etc. was taught for them, and also like they taught like how to write your name, etc. So these are the things that happened in the first 2 months. So this was the first art that Rohan did in his school, and he just scribbled everything as you see here. And next, if you see here, he said like this is a small a gift or something. I think this is something like he painted with his hand or legs or something. So it's quite cool, and we'll be happy once we see Rohan, like your kids doing these things and they bring them to home. It's a good feeling actually. Another thing to note in the first 2 months is like how the classes are split. So you will get initially like on the first day which class your kid is going. So basically in Toronto District School Board, if you see, the junior kindergarten kids and the senior kindergarten kids are put in the same class. Maybe we felt like this is because they can learn from the bigger kids, the smaller ones, and the bigger kids can help or play with them, and those kind of thing was going on. So you need to know like both junior kindergarten and senior kindergarten will be in the same class, and the class are split based on the count. If there are like 100 students, then they are split into like 4 classes, a maximum of 25 or 26 in one group. In that 26, you will have like 8 to 9 junior kindergarten boys or girls, and like 18 or 17 senior kindergarten boys or girls. So this is the overall structure of the class that you need to know. months. There are certain activities that were done as part of like celebration, so we are going to like post that in a separate video. Hope this information is useful to you. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.